Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 5 natural numbers and whole numbers and we reached exercise 5C. Let's continue with that exercise problems. Next fifth question, evaluate using properties. In that first one, 679 into 8 plus 679 into 2. Fifth question, 679 into 8 plus 679 into 2. You have to find the answer or you have to evaluate using properties. So which property we can use here? Actually this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. 679 into, we can take outside bracket. Now inside we can write 8 plus now 2. Okay, this is distributive property. Now 679 into 8 plus 2, it is 10. So what is this? 679 into 10, it is 6790. This will be the answer. Okay, without doing actual multiplication, we find the answer using properties. Now in that second one, 284 into 12 minus 284 into 2. So here also you can use distributive property. Okay, distributivity of multiplication over subtraction it is. 284 is multiplied by 12 and 2 here. Okay, so 284 into, you can take a common outside. You can write outside. Now 12 minus 2, you can write inside bracket. Okay, now 284 into 12 minus 2. 284 into 12 minus 2, it is 10. What is 284 into 10? It is 2840. Okay, this is the answer. In that third one, 55,873 into 94 plus 55,873 into 6. So here 55,873 is multiplied by 94 and 6. You can use distributive property. Okay, 55,873 into, in bracket what we can write, 94 plus 6. Okay, now 55,873 into 94 plus 6, it is 100. Okay, now what is 55,873 into 100? It is 55873, 2 zeros. That is 55,87,300. This is the answer. Now sixth question, find the product of the, in that first one, greatest number of 3 digits and smallest number of 5 digits. So you have to find the product of greatest number of 3 digit and smallest number of 5 digit. So you know what is the greatest number of 3 digits. Greatest number of 3 digits equal to, you know, it is 999. This is the greatest 3 digit number. Okay, now smallest number of 5 digits. 5 digits. Smallest number of 5 digits, it is 10,000. A 5 digit number starts with a 10,000 only. It is the smallest 5 digit number. Okay, now you have to find the product. Their product equal to, therefore their product equal to 999 into 10,000. So 999 into 1, 999. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So 4 zeros you can put. So this will be the answer. 99,90,000. Okay. Now seventh question, fill in the blanks. In that first one, 437 plus 3 into 400 minus 3 equal to 397 into dash. You have to find the answer in the blank. Okay, we know that 437 plus 3. On adding you will get 440. Okay, into 400 minus 3. It is 397. On subtracting you will get that only. Equal to 397 into dash. So in the blank the answer will be 440. Why? Multiplication of whole number, it is commutative. Okay, in which whatever order you take the numbers, the product will remain the same. 440 into 397 will be equal to 397 into 440. Okay, this is commutative property. Now in that second one, 66 plus 44 plus 22 equal to 11 into dash. Okay, it is given inside bracket equal to 11 into dash. So 66 plus 44 plus 22 equal to 11 into dash. Here you can see 66, 44, 22. These three numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, so we can take out 11 common outside. So 11 into 6 it is 66, 11 into 4 it is 44, 11 into 2 it is 22. Okay, so inside bracket you can write 6, 11 into 6 66 plus 11 into 4 44 plus 11 into 2 22. Okay, 11 into 6 plus 11 into 4 plus 11 into 2. That means 66 plus 44 plus 22. Now, in the next blank what will come? 11 into, you can add this. 6 plus 4 plus 2. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12 will come here. Okay, since these three numbers are divisible by 11, we can take a 11 common outside. Now inside bracket 11 into 6, 66 will come. So here first number you can write a 6. 11 into 4 it is 44, second number will be 4. 11 into 2 it is 22, so third number will be 2. So in the first blank 6 plus 4 plus 2, this will be the answer. Adding this you will get the answer in the second blank, that is 12. Okay. Eighth one, in that first question, evaluate 355 into 18. You have to find the product. So you can use properties. Okay, 355 and 18. We know that these two numbers are not close to 100,000 or 10,000. So what we can do? Let us split the larger number. 355, let us split like this. 300 plus 50 plus 5. Okay, into 18. Now you can use distributive property here. 300 into 18 plus 50 into 18 plus 5 into 18. Okay, using distributive property we can write like this. Now 300 into 18, you will get a 5400, 5400 plus 50 into 18, it will be 900. Okay, plus 5 into 18, it is 90. Now you can add this 5400 plus 900 plus 90. Okay, so here 0, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 5 plus 1, 6. The answer will be 6390. Okay, in that fourth one, 9999 into 8. So here 9999, this is very close to 10,000. Okay, how we can split 9999? It is 10,000 minus 1. Okay, 10,000 minus 1, it is 9999. So in place of that we can write like this, or we can split a 9999 like this into 8. Okay, now we can use distributive property. 10,000 into 8 minus 1 into 8. Okay, now 10,000 into 8, it is 80,000 minus 1 into 8, it is 8. Okay, so what you will get the answer? 79,992. This will be the answer. 79992. Okay, so do the remaining problems of question 5, then question 6 and question 8 as homework. Okay, So we studied properties for addition, subtraction and multiplication on whole numbers. Our next topic is properties for division on whole numbers. First one, closure property. If x and y are two whole numbers, then x division y is not necessarily a whole number. So if you are taking two whole numbers x and y, x division y is not always a whole number. Okay. So let us take an example. Two whole numbers 5 and 8. Okay. 5 division 8. Is this a whole number? 5 division 8 means it is 5 by 8. We can write it like this also. This is not a whole number. Actually this is fraction. Okay, fractional number, it is not a whole number. Or 5 on dividing by 8. What you will get? 8 into 0, 0. Now 5. You can start decimal point. 50. 8 into 6, 48. Now 20. 8 into 2, 16. Remainder 4. 8 into 5. You will get a 40. Remainder 0. 0.625. So this is also not a whole number. This is a decimal number. Decimal number or fraction number. These are not whole numbers. Okay. So according to closure property, if x and y are two whole numbers, x division y is not necessarily a whole number. Okay. Therefore, closure property does not exist for division of whole number. Now second property, commutative property. If x and y are two whole numbers, then x division y not equal to y division x. So in case of division of whole number, it is not commutative. Okay, division of whole numbers is not commutative. Let us take one example. 3 division 5. 3 and 5 we can take. 3 division 5. It is 3 by 5. Now we are interchanging the order of division, order of numbers. Okay, 5 division 3 we are taking. It is 5 by 3. 3 by 5 and 5 by 3, they are not equal. Okay, 3 by 5 is not equal to 5 by 3. So we can say that division of whole number, it is not commutative. Okay. Now third one, associative property. According to this property, if x, y and z are three whole numbers, then x division y division z not equal to x division y division z. Okay, so in case of division, if we are dividing three whole numbers, and first we are taking in this order, x division y division z. First we are finding y division z, then x is divided by that result. Okay. In that case, we will get one answer, but that answer will not be equal to x division y division z. That is, first we are taking x division y. This answer we are finding first. Then that answer is divided by z. Okay. If we change the order of number, we will not get the same answer. That is, division of whole number is not associative. Okay. Now fourth one, existence of identity. The identity element for division of whole number does not exist. So identity for division of whole numbers, identity element does not exist. It is not there. Okay. Fifth one, existence of inverse. The inverse for division of whole number does not exist. So in case of inverse also, inverse for division of whole number does not exist. It is also not there. Okay. Now here you can see in this box, if a is any non-zero whole number, then a division a equal to 1. Any whole number you take, that whole number on divided by the number itself, you will get 1 as answer. Example, 5 division 5, it is 1. 12 division 12, it is 1. 28 division 28, it is 1, etc. Okay. Second one, a divided by 1, it is a. Any number on divided by 1, you will get that number itself. Okay. So 5 divided by 1, it is 5. 16 divided by 1, it is 16, etc. Third one, 0 divided by a, it is 0. 0 divided by any whole number, you will get 0 as answer. For example, 0 divided by 8, it is 0. 0 divided by 23, it is 0. Okay, this is 0, etc. Now fourth one, a divided by 0 is not defined. That is division by 0, it is not defined. Okay, so 8 divided by 0, it is not defined. 24 divided by 0 is not defined. Okay. Exercise 5D, first one, show that in that first one, division of whole numbers is not closed. So you have to show that division of whole numbers is not closed. So you can use examples to show this. Okay, here question is, it is given for each part given above, give an example. So using example, you can show that division of whole number is not closed. Okay, so you can take any two numbers. Let us take a 3 and 5. So 3 divided by 5, that is 3 by 5. This is not a whole number. Therefore, what we can say, division of whole number is not closed. Okay. In that second one, any whole number divided by 1 always gives the number itself. So any whole number you take, let us take 7. 7 divided by 1, it is 7. Okay. So we can say that any whole number divided by 1, we will get that number itself. Okay. Now in that third one, every non-zero whole number divided by itself gives 1. So any whole number you can take. Let us take 23. Okay, 23 divided by itself means 23 is divided by 23. What is the answer? It will be 1. Okay, so every non-zero whole number, this should be non-zero whole number, that is, it is not equal to 0. 0 you can't take. So 23, let us take example, 23 divided by 23 equal to 1. Therefore, what we can say, every non-zero whole number divided by itself gives 1. Okay, now fourth one, 0 divided by any non-zero number is 0 only. So one example you can take, 0 divided by any non-zero number. Let us take 15. What is 0 divided by 15? It is 0. Okay, so in place of 15, you can take any whole number other than 0. Okay, now fifth one, a whole number divided by 0 is not defined. So let us take a whole number 8. 8 divided by 0 is not defined because division by 0 is not defined. Okay. In that second question, if x is a whole number such that x divided by x equal to x, state the value of x. So here you have to find a number such that when that number is divided by itself, you will get that number itself. Okay, so here 1, we know that 1 divided by 1, we will get 1. So 1 is the only whole number such that 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. No other whole number we can't write like this. We can write like this. Okay. So x divided by x equal to x. Here the value of x will be, therefore x equal to 1. Okay. Now third question, fill in the blanks. In that first one, 987 divided by 1. So any number divided by 1, you will get that number itself. 987 divided by 1, it is 987. Okay. Second one, 0 divided by 987. So any 0 divided by any whole number, you will get a 0 as answer. 0 divided by 987 equal to 0. Third one, 336 minus 888 divided by 888. So we know Bodmer's rule. First we have to solve inside bracket, then only you can do subtraction here. Okay. Now 888 divided by 888, what will be the answer here? Any number on divided by itself, we will get 1 as answer. Okay, 888 divided by 888, the answer is 1. Now 336 minus 1. What will be the answer? It is 335. This will be the answer. Okay, 336 minus this answer. On dividing you will get 1. So 336 minus 1 it is 335. Now fourth one, 23 divided by 23 minus 437 divided by 437. Here also 23 divided by 23 you have to find, 437 divided by 437 you have to find. Okay, they are given inside bracket. So first you have to solve the bracket. So 23 divided by 23 it is 1. Any number on divided by itself you will get 1. Minus 437 divided by 437 is also 1. So what is 1 minus 1? It is 0. The answer here it is 0. Okay. Now do the fourth question as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.